Hello, people of YouTube. It's John, and I'm back again. This time I have another product I'd like to share with you. This is an Athearn well car. Let's go to the workbench and take a look. So here's what we're looking at today. It's a Gunderson Husky Stack well car. This is HO scale, and it's made by Athearn. Athearn's website lists 5 different road names, and they retail for $30.98. According to Athearn's website, the minimum radius for these cars is 18 inches. The package includes this exploded view drawing sheet of paper and a card with some information of how to sign up to get news from Athearn. I've taken a very close look at the paint and the markings on this model, and both are extremely well done. All the writing is legible. Even the smallest writing on the ends, like this, it's all legible. And the prints, like on the logo over here and on the reporting mark over here, are very crisp. It looks really great. All right, so looking at the brake end, you can see it has a separately applied brake wheel, and the end ladders also are separately applied. The walkway and step plates, as well as the catwalk, are separately applied plastic pieces. Well cars also have exposed reservoirs and triple valves and stuff like that. That's all reproduced over here as separately applied pieces as well. And the brake stand also is a separately applied piece. The A end has similar detail with the separately applied plastic walkway and step plate, as well as the catwalk and the separately applied ladders. These are McHenry couplers. You can see a bunch of little holes on basically what would be the floor. These are for the pegs that exist on containers that would fit into this car so that the loads don't shift. So this is what it looks like when the well car is loaded with containers. These are containers from Atlas that I did a product spotlight on last month. So I think Athearn has done a really nice job with these well cars. They come in a fairly good variety of road names, and you see these on the main lines all the time. I like the fact that they have the little holes for the pegs that are on the containers that will ensure that the containers don't shift around on a moving train. So good job with that. I like it. I can't wait to run this at the SBHRS, and I'll see you next time.